Hello beautiful people, welcome to another vlog. So today I'll be teaching you how to make your Christmas chin chin. This might be coming a bit late, but anyways, if you've not made your chin chin, this is the right time for you. So without saying much, what we'll be needing will be our flour, sugar, butter, baking powder, and salt, and then water. Don't worry, I'll be leaving everything in the description. You see this particular recipe, you are gonna love it. Promise you, it's something you are going to love. I have been making chin chin for a very long time. If you are following me, I'm a baker, but this particular recipe, there is something I didn't add and even came out better than it. So you also add your nutmeg, and milk flavor is optional. If you want to use milk, fine. If you don't want to use, it's also fine, but there's a milk flavor you can add to it. It makes it comes out very nice. So after measuring your ingredients, you're going to be mixing it just the way I am doing in this video. So you mix till everything comes together. So the next thing you'll be doing after this is introducing water. If you are using liquid milk too, you can introduce your liquid milk after you are done mixing. So but then you have to be careful not to add too much water, because if you add too much water, you end up using more flour and your oil will start floating. So add your water gradually. Like as you can see from this video, I was using 1/4 cups. I added 3/4, 3 times of the 1/4 cup. So you mix. So after mixing, this is what you should have, something like this. Yes, so you allow it to rest for like 20 minutes before you start kneading. So after kneading, you roll out just like I'm doing in this video. You roll out, then you start cutting with your pizza cutter. If you don't have a pizza cutter, you can use a knife. Even this rolling pin, if you don't have it, you can use a bottle. So once you are done doing that, your oil should be getting ready, and remember not to fry in a very high heat. It should be moderate, not so high, not so low. So once you are done with cutting out, the next thing is to fry. This is another trick I also found out. When you are frying, immediately you put in the chin chin, you should not turn immediately. Allow it to sit for like 30 seconds before you start turning. Yes, it makes it not to have any of these granules you see in your oil. And again, let the oil not be crowded. Let the chin chin not be too plenty inside the oil. Avoid the oil being too crowded. Go in gently. I know you want to be done and leave the kitchen, but you just have to take your time. This way it will come out very, very, very perfect. Try this recipe. Let me know how it goes. If you've watched till this point, please subscribe to my channel. It's a way of encouraging me. Yes, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you're going to be trying it, also let me know. This is me wishing you Merry Christmas. Enjoy the rest of the video till I see you again in my next one. Thanks for watching. Watch till the end. Try it and let me know. Before now, my chin chin, after frying the first batch, the oil will just start floating, kind of, you'll be seeing oil everywhere. But with this recipe, I didn't add egg. and it came out so well. You won't even notice that egg was not added. I've been making chin chin for a very long time, so try it and let me know how it goes. Till I see you in my next vlog, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment for me. Thanks for watching. Bye. Merry Christmas in advance and a prosperous 2026. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.